Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find and manage sound settings on TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper. To do that, go to Settings, then you can go to Sound and Vibration, and now I'm gonna get you through all of these settings. These first four are volume sliders. You can adjust the volume for ring, which will adjust the volume for incoming calls, then notification volume for incoming notifications, media for music videos and more, and alarm volume for alarms. You can adjust them like that, and you will hear a preview whenever you release this slider of how loud the volume is. You can enable 3D boom sound here, which will enable 3D surround sound to make your sound more immersive. Then here is ringtone. You can change the tone of your ringtone, so whenever you get an incoming call, you will hear this sound. Then you can change the notification volume as well. Alarm, ringtone, the same way. Then vibration and haptics, you can enable or disable them fully, or you can enable or disable them for certain things like ring vibration, vibrate first and ring gradually, notification vibration, alarm vibration, touch feedback, and media vibration. Then live caption. When you enable it, then whenever your device texts speech on it, it will automatically generate captions for it. Here is do not disturb, and if this is enabled, then your phone will disable notifications, with some exceptions that you can set here. So you can select who can disturb, do not disturb, for calls, messages, and you can adjust more settings. And more sound settings, you can go here to enable or disable dial pad tones, screen locking sound, touch sounds, power on and off sounds, and you can also go to haptic feedback, vibration duration, and wireless emergency alerts. So you will be alerted when there's an emergency. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.